Welcome back to Bike World, where we bring you the most detailed, honest, and up-to-date reviews from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated adventure sport motorcycles of the year, the 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300. This machine represents a bold new direction for TVS, blending the aggressive DNA of the Apache brand with the rugged versatility of an adventure tourer. The RTX 300 isn't just another motorcycle. It's a statement of intent from TVS that they are ready to compete in the global mid-capacity adventure segment. Designed for riders who want performance on highways, confidence on broken roads, and comfort on long journeys, the Apache RTX 300 promises to be a complete all-rounder for modern riders. Design and road presence. The 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300 carries a strong adventure-inspired design language while staying true to the sporty Apache identity. The tall stance, muscular fuel tank, wide handlebars, and upright ergonomics give it a commanding road presence. The front end features a sharp, aggressive face that reflects Apache DNA, combined with adventure styling elements that make it look purpose-built for long-distance touring. The high ground clearance, long travel suspension, and raised front beak design enhance its off-road ready appearance. Overall, the RTX 300 looks tough, premium, and futuristic, making it stand out clearly in traffic and on highways. Engine and performance. At the heart of the TVS Apache RTX 300 is a newly developed 300cc class liquid-cooled engine, engineered to deliver a balance of power, torque, and efficiency. The motor is expected to produce strong mid-range performance, making it ideal for highway cruising, overtaking, and climbing steep roads with ease. Unlike pure sport engines that focus on top-end power, the RTX 300's tuning focuses on usable torque and smooth power delivery. This makes it perfect for touring, city riding, and light off-road conditions. Throttle response is expected to be refined and predictable, giving riders confidence in both urban and adventure environments. Riding comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is one of the strongest highlights of the Apache RTX 300. The upright riding posture reduces fatigue on long rides, while the wide handlebars offer better control and stability. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, supporting both rider and pillion for extended journeys. The foot peg positioning is balanced for both seated cruising and standing riding during off-road conditions. Wind protection is also well considered, making highway rides more relaxed and less tiring. This motorcycle is clearly built for riders who love long tours, weekend rides, and adventure trips without compromising daily usability. Suspension and handling. The suspension setup on the RTX 300 is expected to feature long travel front forks and a strong rear monoshock, tuned for both comfort and control. This allows the bike to handle rough roads, potholes, speed breakers, and light trails with ease. On highways, the suspension ensures stability at high speeds, while on broken roads it absorbs shocks smoothly. The chassis balance and weight distribution give the bike confidence-inspiring handling, making it suitable for new riders as well as experienced tourers. Whether riding in the city or exploring rural roads, the RTX 300 feels planted and predictable. Braking and safety. Safety plays a major role in the design of the Apache RTX 300. The bike is expected to come with strong disc brakes at both ends, supported by dual-channel ABS for maximum braking control. This ensures safety during emergency braking and slippery road conditions. The braking performance is designed to inspire confidence, especially during long highway rides and downhill routes. Stability, traction, and control are key elements that define the riding experience of this motorcycle. Technology and features. The 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300 is expected to feature modern digital instrumentation with advanced rider information systems. This includes ride data, trip meters, fuel efficiency tracking, and connectivity features. Smart features like navigation support, smartphone connectivity, and ride analytics are likely to be part of the package. These technologies make the RTX 300 not just a motorcycle, but a smart touring machine designed for the modern rider who values both performance and digital convenience. Touring capability. Touring is where the Apache RTX 300 truly shines. The large fuel tank capacity, comfortable ergonomics, stable highway performance, and reliable engine tuning make it ideal for long-distance journeys. Whether it's intercity travel, mountain roads, or cross-country touring, the RTX 300 is built to handle it all. Luggage compatibility, touring accessories, and adventure-focused design make it a perfect companion for riders who love exploring new destinations. Market position and competition. The TVS Apache RTX 300 enters a competitive mid-capacity adventure motorcycle segment. However, TVS brings strong engineering, reliability, and performance credibility with the Apache brand. The RTX 300 is expected to attract riders who want an adventure bike that is practical, powerful, and affordable compared to premium international brands. This motorcycle is designed to bridge the gap between entry-level adventure bikes and high-end premium tours. Final verdict. The 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300 is more than just a new motorcycle. It represents the future of TVS in the adventure touring segment. With its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, rugged design, modern features, and strong touring capabilities, it stands as a complete package for riders who want freedom, performance, and versatility in one machine. Whether you are a daily commuter, a weekend explorer, or a long-distance tourer, the Apache RTX 300 is built to match your lifestyle. This bike proves that adventure motorcycling doesn't have to be extreme. It can be practical, comfortable, and exciting at the same time. Stay connected with Bike World for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep exploring.